What's up guys, the PE guy here. Today we're going to talk about cup stacking. So you want to get better at cup stacking, eh? Today I'm going to share 4 tips/rules that my students use to get better at cup stacking. First thing, we need to space the cups a good amount of space so that you have room. We need room when we're stacking cups. So first thing, you need space. Second thing that I see over and over and over again is my students only using one hand. We need to use 2 hands at the same time. It is so slow going with one hand. We need to use 2 hands at a time. The third tip that I need to share with you guys is use your fingertips. You can use your ring finger, your pinky finger, but use those fingers. It will help you to go faster if you're not squeezing the cups like this, because then you don't have control. But with your fingertips, you've got control. The fourth tip is more of a rule. I see so many students not following this rule. You've got to go from left to right when you're up stacking, and then again go from left to right. Looks like this. Then we're down stacking. Left to right, left to right.
Left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right.
Left to right, left to right.
It's like we're reading a book. You go from one line, left to right, next line, left to right. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully these tips will help you in your cup stacking ability. You guys rock. Peace.